Hey, I can't stay
That's how you
on
really
it.
had your roller right there.
That's his color.
You had a
Maybe
you call it abscess. You
Okay,
had a roller and they pulled it. I think you were 3 or 4. And Nana took us. And you came out and you were and you laughing and giggling. And
I touched it.
What?
I touched the bird's tail.
You caught the bird's tail?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't have it
Where is it?
on my hand.
In your hand?
On it.
On your hand. All right. Do you see it?
you got a bird.
What are you doing to it?
I'm showing it.
You're killing it.
He got slingshot. Look at all the birds I tried.
Look at them all. Look at all those birds you caught. What are you doing to them?
I'm popping them.
You're popping the birds?
One's popping me.
It's hard
4.
not to laugh.
And then let's see how many berries I have.
How many berries do you have?
See that right there, those in the front, those are easy, they can numb you. But your back ones is where they have to give you the laughing gas and stuff, kind of sedate you. The ones in the front are easy, they can just stick you with a needle and pull those out. It's not a lot of pain. The ones in the back.